Hi, today gonna show how to fix the Samsung freezer not cool because the default thermostat malfunction stuck closed. Of course, the best solution is to replace the part. But while you waiting for the part, your food gonna be rotten. So my quick fix is using the super boiling water on in the cup there, using microwave, and dip that thermostat in. So now it opened again. So technically it's running again. So I put back in my fridge and test everything cooling again. I think at least it's good for a few days. Thanks for your